In this tutorial, you'll learn how to design a user activity summary card in Photoshop using custom shapes, a layout often used in dashboards and analytics screens. Open Photoshop and create a medium rectangular canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a large rounded rectangle in the center to act as the card base. Choose a soft background color so the information feels easy on the eyes. Now draw 3 small square or circle shapes aligned horizontally at the top. These will represent different activity indicators. Below them, add thin rectangle shapes to visually separate sections. Use the Type tool to write labels like views, clicks, or sessions. Add subtle icons inside the shapes to make the data more intuitive. Duplicate the main card, place it behind, slightly dark.